Hello and welcome to the first day of school. Today, what I want you to do is read through the guidelines and procedures for every day during class. How I'm going to have you do that. I want you to go to Google Classroom. I want you to click on your specific class. This is going to be the same for both 6th and 7th grade, so I'm just going to make one video for this. Normally, you are going to be doing something different if you're in 6th or 7th grade, and I will make separate videos. But for today's sake, it's just going to be one. So if you go to your specific class and go to classwork, here at the top, you will see today's date, which is Thursday, August 13th. I want you to click on the assignment underneath that. You can see my directions here. I want you to read through those. Basically, what those directions say is to click on the Google form. On this Google form, it will guide you through all of my classroom expectations, all of my rules for this school year. How you are going to answer these, I don't expect you to know these off the top of your head because you aren't here right now for the first day of school. So I want you to go back to Google Classroom. You'll see I have two different attachments here. One was the Google form in which you already clicked on. The other one is a Google Doc. I want you to open that Google Doc. After it loads, you're going to split the screen. Hopefully you've done this before, but if not, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you are going to grab the tab up here at the top of your screen, and you're going to drag it to either the left or the right side. You can see right now it is shaded there on the left-hand side. I want you to let go of that and it will snap there on the left. How I want you to put it on the right side, I want you to go back here to your Google form, and I want you to do the same thing but drag it to the opposite side. So drag it to the right side. Then you need to go back here to this main screen and minimize that screen. And now you have exactly the way I want you to have it. You're going to have on the left-hand side the actual classroom rules and expectations, and here on the right-hand side you are going to be guided through each of these, and I want you to fill in the blank. So as you can see here, I'll walk through number 1 with you, where it says respect yourself, the teacher, and others. You can see the blank there next to number 1. So your answer would be respect yourself, the teacher, and others. Okay, so that's what you're going to do throughout the rest of these classroom rules and expectations. I want you to make sure you read through all of these on your own, and then you look them over with your parent or guardian, whoever you live with. So then you know what the expectation is throughout the school year. Every day you walk in here, you know the standard that I'm going to hold you to. Okay, you're going to go through all of these. There are, here at the bottom, bookmarks that I want you to add to your Google Chrome. Okay, so I went over these websites in the first video I sent out, but what I want you to do is actually go through and bookmark them. How you're going to do that, you're going to type in each of these URLs, or you can go to the Google slide that I've already attached to Google Classroom to click on them so you don't have to type all of these out. But I want you to actually bookmark them. How you're going to bookmark them. Up here at the top, there's a star. And if you hover over that star, it says bookmark this tab. I want you to bookmark all of these websites so you don't have to type them in every time I ask you to go to them. So on any given day, if I ask you to go to my classroom website, I would just go up here to, you see all my bookmarks. You probably do not have this many, but if my classroom website, which is right here, instead of having to type it in, I would just click on it, and then it will take you there. Okay, so again, after you're done with that, you're going to submit that form. Let me go back to it. You're going to hit submit here after you fill them all out. If you get this done by Monday, by the start of school Monday, I will give you extra credit points to start off the year. That would be a great way to start off the school year for me, is for 5 bonus points in the grade book before you get any other grades in there. If you have any questions on what to do, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. For all the students that are going to be here in school, we're going to be going through all of this up on the projector, but for those of you who are at home, I want you to fill out this Google form instead. Thanks, and let me know if you have questions.